Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best EDC flashlights in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on the price, quality, durability and more information about these EDC flashlights. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Olight S1 or Baton 2 flashlight. If there's one feature you want in a flashlight, it's extensive runtime. When you need a light, it has to work. This torch delivers with 15 days max runtime, and the CR123E battery can be repowdered with a magnetic USB charging cable included. You'll enjoy up to 900 lumens and a beam that reached 145 meters, along with 2-meter impact resistance, IPX8 water resistance, and a magnetic tail cap that attaches to metal surfaces for hands-free use, all in a diminutive 2.6-inch, 1.27-ounce body. Prometheus Beta QRV2 flashlight. There's something to be said for the heft and power of a heavy-duty mag light that runs on 60-cell batteries, but you can't really stick it in your pocket for emergency use, and you certainly don't want to haul it along when you're hiking 10 or more miles to your campsite. This is where an EDC Keychain flashlight like the Prometheus Beta QRV2 comes in handy. Just 3.4 inches long and 0.75 ounces, it delivers 2 brightness settings, 15 or 60 lumens, and up to 4 hours of runtime, as well as a quick release Keychain attachment. Pixel TI Keychain flashlight. This mini EDC flashlight is just a bit larger than a quarter at about 1.7 inches in length, and it weighs in at 0.8 ounces. Attach it to your Keychain or hang it on a necklace, and you'll always have access to 25 lumens of high illumination intensity, cool white LED light, or 21 lumens of true color rendering with warm white LED light. This squared body may seem strange until you realize it will never roll off the table. You set it on while your hands are busy pitching the tent or lighting the campfire. Foursevens Preon P2 MKIII at 5.1 inches long and 6.1 ounces. This isn't the smallest flashlight, and it will definitely cause a noticeable bulge in your pocket, but it runs on easy-to-find AAA batteries. It delivers up to 220 lumens of light power, and it does feature a pocket clip for easy everyday carry. It also has 6 distinct user interface modes, including a variety of bursts and strobes, and delivers anywhere from 1 to 90 hours of use, depending on the mode. Comes in black anodized, electroless nickel, or solid copper finish. SureFire E2D Defender. Whether you need 1000 lumens to identify the critter rummaging around the outside of your tent, or you want 5 lumens to read late into the night without disturbing your partner, this little flashlight can deliver with 2 output levels. With a strong aerospace aluminum body and a coated tempered window to resist impact, you'll get a durable product perfect for EDC or camping excursions. At 5.6 inches long and 5.9 ounces, the EDC friendly size is just right for a comfortable grip during use. Foursevens Mini Turbo MKIII flashlight. This tiny torch is just 2.38 inches long and 1.8 ounces, but don't let that fool you. It's still plenty powerful for everyday carry. It features a variety of modes that deliver up to 700 lumens, and you'll enjoy a sharp beam of light that reaches up to 200 meters. A save function lets you return to the last mode used. The Type III hard anodized 6061T6 aluminum full groove body is super resilient, and IPX8 water resistance means you can use it even in wet weather. It also comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for charging on the go. Slughouse Bullet O2 flashlight. Tiny doesn't begin to describe this minimal flashlight, aptly called Bullet, as it strongly resembles a small ballistic projectile. Touted as the world's smallest flashlight, this mini EDC flashlight in aerospace-grade aluminum is just 2.5 centimeters in length, or less than an inch, and it weighs only 5 grams, or less than a fifth of an ounce. Still, it delivers 20 lumens of light with a twist on-off feature and reportedly offers up to 100,000 hours of LED life. It's waterproof, fireproof, and small enough to fit in the watch pocket of your jeans. J5 Tactical V1 PRO flashlight. You'll love the look and utility of this tactical flashlight, which is thicker and easier to grip than your average EDC model. It's 4 inches long and 3.4 ounces and offers 3 different light modes: low, high, and strobe, along with options to zoom in for floodlight functionality or zoom out for a spotlight. The beam can reach up to 600 feet or add ambient lighting for an entire room. The ability to switch between an AA battery or a 14,500 rechargeable battery, not included, is convenient, and this durable torch can survive a 9-foot drop or temporary submersion in water. EagleTac D25C Clicky. It fits in your palm, your pocket, or clip to your belt loop with a length of just 2.9 inches and a weight of just under 1 ounce. 4 different light output settings range from 1 to 453 lumens, with attendant run times ranging from about 1 to 150 hours. Beam distance tops out at 105 meters, and you'll enjoy IPX8 waterproofing. Rear click activation makes it easy to switch on and off and toggle between modes, and satisfied users report that the light actually seems a little brighter than advertised.